Hey everyone, welcome back to yet another episode of Parsons Productions. Today we got something exciting. I have for you the Parsons Productions garage, the Parsons Productions studio, which from today on out will be, oh yeah, it'll be nice, it'll be great. So let me give you the first official garage tour. Alrighty, so here we are in Woodinville, Washington. Woodinville is by far insanely beautiful. You can see the trees around me, you can see all sorts of greenery. It is, compared to our last living situation, this is 10 times better. You can see out here, we've got the BRZ. You can see the Camaro over there. Let's grab my coffee and let's go check out the garage. Full 2-car garage. We've got the Parsons Productions mobile or motorcycle here, the old KZ. She's got an official clean home. She normally lives right over there in the corner. And the BRZ is usually right here. Over here, we've got workbenches that came with the garage. Now these are okay. They were cabinets for the inside of the house at one time. Now they're out here. So my plan for these is to leave them here because honestly they're pretty good workspaces. But as you can see, there's no real room for other activities. We have Brandon's STI here. This is gonna live here. That's where he parks. And then you can see on this side, there's not a whole lot of room. So as my plan for right now is this has a nice seam right here on these cabinets. My plan is to remove this section of cabinets right here and put a rollaway tool workbench here. And I think that will be a perfect spot for my rollaway. This bench right here is the parts shelf. So you can see I have a little something special there I haven't really talked about for the old KZ from one of my next videos. And we've got a bunch of other parts for the BRZ that I have yet to install, but we'll get to them, don't worry, trust me. This shelf back here is all of our external parts, camping wise, so that's not really important. Other than that, I've got my license plate collection, as well as a bunch of other motorcycle parts and car parts. Over here, I am thinking about setting up a blast cabinets where we'll have sandblasting as well as a bench grinder on a stand in this corner. And then I'm planning on putting possibly my ultrasonic cleaning section in this area somewhere. Not too sure necessarily where things are gonna go since we don't have all these things yet, but trust me, there will be more garage updates to come. Do peep the new Parsons Production, the new Parsons Productions banner. I had that custom made and I think it looks super clean, really kind of sets off the garage. Now since this isn't our house, we're renting it, it's a little bit of a tricky situation on how many upgrades we can really do to the garage. Once we have our own home, we can really kind of, you know, the sky's the limit on that. With a rental, we sort of have a limit on what we can and cannot do, but you know, we're gonna do the best we can with this awesome workspace we have compared to the balcony of my 2-bedroom apartment that I was in. This is 10 times better, a million times better. It's way better. That's what I'm just trying to say. It's fantastic. So I cannot tell you how stoked I am. We've got a full backyard too, as you can see back there. I'm not gonna go too far into detail on everything, but mainly the point of this video was the garage space, and this is it. You're gonna see tons more Parsons Productions videos coming through about the bike. We've got some crazy upgrades coming for it, so stay tuned for those. So once again, thanks for watching, and I will see you later.